and friends, this is Lady T. I hope you're enjoying your day. I'm out running an errand and I thought I would stop in and say hello. This video today will be about how I wear my headbands in the summer and a little bit in the fall, where I shop for headbands and how I like to wear them. Let me know what you think. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to share. Sometimes you don't feel like being bothered with your hair, and when it's out, it just doesn't look how you want it to look, and you just throw in one of these little turbans and your day is saved, honey. Okay, hey subbies and friends, this is Lady T. What's up? Today I'm just checking in, and I hope you don't mind. I'm by a door, so you might hear a little background noise, but today I'm checking in because I want to talk about what I got in the mail from Amazon. I've been preparing myself for starting to wear more of my hair in protective styles or just some quick looks, and but mainly I really want to wear my hair in some twists and protective styles for a little bit longer, maybe 1 week, 5 days, moving into a week and a half. But basically I got my little package from Amazon, right? Love Amazon. I think I was looking at my statement and I just been spending a little bit too much. I've been testing out Prime and I'm loving it. I'm like getting my stuff in a day. So that's my review of Amazon. I bought quite a bit of other things, but I'm gonna just talk about hair related stuff right now. One of the things I've been really loving is what you see on my head right now is a headband, okay? And basically one of the things I got was some headbands similar to what I have on now. I was really looking for some turban style headbands, something that I can pull forward, all the way back, whatever. When you don't feel like doing your hair and you might have a weird styling, you could literally cover it. And I really saw so many cute headbands. But one thing I learned about me and my style is I got to start plain first and then branch out to patterns. So I'm just showing you what I got from Amazon with my first order. I'm planning to order a little bit more with patterns, but these are some just really simple plain headbands. They came in a little package like this, nice and simple, and I like that they packaged them separately like this, okay? So it's just some nice simple color. I found this little red headband at Dollar General for $2, and I never could find anything similar in stores. It was just hanging around on the counter, and I really love this headband because it's so simple. So another reason I went to Amazon was because Amazon will give you about as many as you see. I don't know how much I actually paid for these. I might write it down on the video. Probably $9.99 for this many headbands. Probably $9.99 to maybe $13. I don't think it was more than $15 for all of these. So if you go to Amazon, the great thing is you're getting more for your money. If I was to go to a regular store like Walmart and buy headbands, sometimes they can be pricey, okay? And they can make you just buy one at a time, and that's fine, but don't sleep on Amazon for looking for your hair accessories. Let's start with this one. Let's see what it looks like, because I don't even know if I'm gonna like it. But look how long this is. Now this is really long. Now right away I'm feeling this thing and I don't like, okay, is it stretchy? Because it didn't feel stretchy. Okay. But it looks very similar to the one I have on. The only difference is I think this is like twice the length as the one I have on. But the thing I like about these headbands, you can bunch them forward or backwards how you want. So if you want a headband and you want it to, you could just make it more personal. It's more room to wiggle with. So this is like really long. Some people wear them as scarves and pull them up over their neck and all that. I don't have any intention of doing that and wearing them as a mask, but this is what they look like, okay? Very simple. But the reason I bought these simple ones first is because, like I said, I know how I get dressed every day, and this is that pretty blue. I really like the deep colors that these have. These are the colors I wear even in the spring. I'm pulling out stuff with greens, blues, and different colors. But sometimes when you start out buying like your favorite pattern, you might not wear it but one time during a special occasion. So I would buy clothes sometimes that had patterns and they were beautiful, but I would never wear them. So I started realizing I have to start playing, okay? So I just opened up a couple of them. As you can see, it's like a turquoise green, a blue, and another green, and then I got a black, brown, and gray. Okay, so I'm gonna start basic because I see myself wearing these scarves. Okay, because I see myself wearing these scarves around the house. Isn't that a cool? I like this gray. I like it. It's pretty. I'm not sure how this is gonna look on my head because it is really long. But I'm looking forward to playing with these on those days when you just want to put on some leggings, something simple, and just throw on a headband. Maybe you got twists in your hair. Maybe your hair your twist out looking like mine's, like it's ready to be washed, which I'm gonna throw some more twist in. Sometimes you don't feel like being bothered with your hair, and when it's out, it just doesn't look how you want it to look, and you just throw on one of these little turbans and your day is saved, honey. But I just got the black and the brown left, okay? And I'm just showing you what I bought from Amazon, what's been on my mind. And right now what's been on my mind is headscarves. Just some simple lazy day headscarves that I can wear just like I got on now. Other thing regarding here, it was some more headbands. Now I bought these three. I'm pretty sure this was probably $6.99 or $9.99 for these three headbands. Again, it's quite a bit of gray. The only difference with these, they're just more simple. You know, something again, if you just want to head out, you got your basic colors, okay? Just a deeper gray, and then there's this one that's a lighter gray, and then I like the yellow. This one made me buy it was literally for the yellow, okay? All of a sudden it got really bright. What made me buy it was for the yellow, and it just has this little thing where you can wear it in the front of your head or towards the back. Depends on the hairstyle you wear. So really those were the only three headbands I bought. But I always start basic. And then another thing I was thinking about, I have so much lipstick and so much eyeshadow. I don't need more lipstick, but I've been really wanting to get, I had a really pretty black Radiance purplish color, and I could not find it for the life of me. So I was on Amazon. I was like, let me see if I could find black Radiance, because I don't even be wanting to go to these stores, okay? And I just bought me a couple black Radiant colors, because when I'm rocking my headbands, although I have plenty of lipsticks, a lot of them aren't really the colors I'm into now. I really like more of a deeper color, purples. I'm really into purples, okay? Deep purples, or even brown. I haven't had a brown lipstick in forever. Okay, so I just went and got me some black Radiant lipsticks. If you're into the black Radiance lipstick, go ahead and like the video and let me know your favorite color, because this was just round one of me ordering for the spring, and I'm just looking through little things I want, nothing major, because I don't really need many clothes, I don't really need many shoes. I just really want some simple stuff. But here's some of the colors that I picked out. As you can see, a lot of them are purple based, okay? And I'm hoping that there'll be a nice deep purple or this nice brown, so that when I'm putting on these little headscarves, now I don't plan to wear headscarves every day, but I am a person who likes to spend time at the park, ripping and running, on the go, and I don't want to spend a whole lot of time worrying about if my hair, especially if I have a wacky hair day like today. This is a day 2 twist out. I might be on day 3. But it's at least day 2 twist out that needs to go back and twist and start preparing for wash day. I don't want to deal with this. I don't want to worry about frizziness. But if I can put on a cute little simple scarf, I don't even want to worry about if it matches too much, and a pretty lip color that I know work, I'm happy, okay? It's going to be a simple little spring and summer for me. But as you can see, here's some of the colors. Some of their colors look very similar, so I'll read what they are. This one here, this pretty brown, And I wasn't sure online which ones to select, because you know online everything does not look the same. This is a nice little simple brown color. Okay. And it looks like it is, I know some people tell the number, but I kind of just like to read it. I tend to remember the color more than I'll remember the letter, the numbers. This is copper, okay? This is copper. So I'm not really sure what this is gonna look like. It's nice and deep brown, but I wouldn't even mind going even deeper than this, like a darker, even darker brown, okay? I'm just in the mood for a bold lip. And then this is the, let's see where I found that lip. Berry Bold, ain't that cute? Berry Bold, okay? And then this one is an even deeper purple or something. Let me see. That's a bright purple. I love this purple. But I only wear this sometimes, but I do love having this purple around. And then this is more of a true purple. And let's see, that's pretty. Okay, you see the difference there? I do like both of these purples. This is more of my trendy when I want to color block or just stand out. And this is more of a true purple, which you can wear almost every day and not get tired of it. I haven't tried these on, so Plum Orchid is this one, okay? And then I have this brown. So really, I didn't buy much when it comes to like hair or makeup from Amazon, but I thought I would share it with you, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and maybe it inspired you to get some ideas for your hair, or maybe if you're looking into some new lipsticks because you're bored with your lipstick or your lip gloss. Let me know what you think, and let me know your favorite colors for lipstick or style of headbands. Can't wait to order some more hair accessories, and I'll be checking in with you real soon. Don't forget to like and comment. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Let me know what you think. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.